Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly sit down and film a short video for you guys. I'm going to be testing out the Carbon Coco teeth whitening kits for you guys. This video is long overdue. I meant to film this a while ago. They sent this product to me a while ago, so I do apologize that I did not get to it sooner, but life got crazy. If you guys watch my channel, you know. I did get this from the brand. They sent it to me to do a review. So I'm just going to be doing my first impressions today, and if I continue to use the product, I will give you guys an update later. Okay, so it comes with a boatload of stuff. So I will leave on the screen the kit that they sent me as well as the price. I believe it was somewhere around like $60 or something. Okay, so this is the first thing that they sent in the little package. I'm not sure what this is. Is this like a tongue scraper or something? They sent a toothbrush, I think so that you don't ruin like your own toothbrush. And then of course they have the actual teeth whitener thing here. I think this is just like, oh. It just wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't drop everything. So yeah, this I think is the actual like powder that is supposedly supposed to whiten your teeth. And then they give you a toothpaste. It has little instructions, and then it also has this, which is a little bag to keep all of your goodies in, which is pretty cool. By the way, I'm not wearing makeup because I think this is gonna get a little messy, and I just figured, why sit down and do my makeup before filming if I'm just gonna ruin it all by brushing my teeth with black stuff. So I figured, why not just skip that. I'm gonna carefully open this. I wetted my toothbrush. So I'm dipping it in. I honestly have no idea how much I'm supposed to get on here. I feel like that was too much. Okay. Oh my god. Help. So I unfortunately have a pretty strong feeling about like textures. When I was brushing my teeth, I almost kind of wanted to throw up because the texture was just, I don't know. It didn't taste really like anything. I was kind of expecting it to taste like something, but I think it just kind of tasted, this might sound weird, it just kind of tasted dry, and now my mouth feels kind of dry. I have like a little retainer thing permanently glued to the back of my front teeth on my lower teeth right here. Some of it got back there and it feels really uncomfortable. I do not like that aspect of it. I don't like the texture. It's very gritty and dry, and like there's some stuck behind that bar, and I can just tell and I can feel it, and it's very annoying. I think it was pretty easy. It did somehow get all over my shirt. I don't know how. I don't think that I didn't drip while I was brushing my teeth, and when I spit it out, I think some just got on my shirt, and it kind of like, you really want to make sure to rinse your sink out because it was just black everywhere. The fact that it got behind my little bar back there is just, like I hate it so much. I just want to like find a way to get it out, but I think it's just gonna have to kind of dissolve on its own and go away. Other than that, I'm surprised at how well it didn't get stuck in my teeth. Like I noticed, I mean, it got stuck behind my bar, but I noticed like other people, once they'd spit out the stuff, like they're still black, like in their gums and stuff. I'm not seeing any in my gums. I mean, I think there's like maybe a little bit, but it's not quite as bad as I thought it would be from seeing like other people do this on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out as well. It is the Spearmint Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. Is black as well, so wow. Okay guys, so I just finished brushing my teeth. I actually really like this toothpaste. It's so weird. I was like, I'm not gonna try that, but actually it tastes so good. This spearmint flavor is actually really nice. I like it. I feel very minty fresh, but it wasn't like, you know how sometimes mint can be like so intense? This wasn't like that intense. It was just kind of like a nice, like, okay, I really like the toothpaste. I don't even care if it does anything. It was nice. I don't know if it's wishful thinking, but suddenly once I brushed the teeth, I feel like my teeth look just a little bit whiter, like nothing crazy, but like just a little bit. I mean, I really want to keep using this and just see if it does whiten my teeth. I mean, it's obviously like not something where you can just do it once and be like, I got pearly whites, you know? Like, it doesn't work like that. But I don't know, I feel like all of a sudden, maybe it's just because the toothbrush is like nice and like minty fresh that I just feel like more smiley now. But I don't know, once I was done brushing my teeth, I just felt like suddenly they're slightly whiter. I will put the before and afters side by side so you guys can kind of see for yourself. You guys can decide if I'm just being, you know, crazy or if you guys actually think you see anything. But yeah, I mean, I still remain slightly skeptical. Like, can something really whiten your teeth in 3 minutes? You know, it's like, if it could, that's like mind-blowing to me because that would be magical, honestly. I would just make sure that if you're interested in buying this, that you just check out a ton of different reviews. Check out reviews from people that got sent the stuff from Carbon Coco, and also check out reviews from people who didn't, just so, you know, you just are getting a broad range of people. I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna have to keep playing around with it, so don't take this as like my final thoughts on it or anything like that. I think the only thing I can say for sure is that this toothpaste tastes awesome, and I like it. I'm not gonna eat it or anything, but it was nice. It's a good flavor for a toothpaste. So that's it for me. Again, a huge shout out and thank you to Carbon Coco. I would say if you guys are really interested in trying this out, I would say go ahead and try it. It's not as expensive as the other stuff. I do believe they also have like a guarantee, like if it doesn't work for you, you can send it back or something like that. I will leave a link down to the place that I saw that. You guys can check that out before you buy so that, you know, if you buy it, you try it out and you're like, this doesn't work, you can send it back. I'm pretty sure that I read that on their website, so I will leave that link down below if I can kind of find a little like place where it says that on their sites. Other than that, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know. I would love to chit chat with you guys in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.